and welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. A team of 11 trekkers was quaint for trekking. But due to weather conditions, they all got stuck there. Sources says that among these 11 trekkers, 2 trekkers was rescued by the army. Out of 11 missing trekkers who set out on trekking from Uttarakhand to Himachal, the bodies of 7 have been recovered. 2 trekkers have been rescued. However, 2 people are still missing. Let us inform that on October 11, these teams had set out on trekking from Harsil in Uttarakhand to Chitkul in Himachal, but got stuck due to the bad weather. The missing from Lamkhanj Pass, it is being told that this team went missing near Lamkhanj Pass between 17 to 19 October. Lamkanga Pass is one of the most difficult pass which connects the Kinnaur district with the Harsil of Uttarakhand. ITBP and the local police were running operation to search these trekkers. It is being told that the rescue team found the bodies of the trekkers buried in the snow at different places. After this, they were brought to a place and sent by helicopter. The 2 trekkers who have been rescued, only one of them is said to be in critical condition. Army, ITBP and Kinnaur police are conducting a joint operation in search of the remaining missing people. The Uttarakhand government had informed the Himachal Pradesh government about the missing of this team at the Lamkhaga Pass, located at the altitude of 20,000 feet above the sea level. Officials said that after receiving the information, ITBP and the army officials were contacted and connected. The security forces started the rescue operation on Thursday morning. According to the information, one of the people who were rescued is a trekker and a guide. A few students of Mihijam blocked the road by stopping the passenger bus at Indira Chowk in front of Chittaranjan railway station on Saturday, due to which there was a long queue of trains on the side of the station square. So there was a huge traffic jam. There was a chaos due to the jam. Bus conductor refused to charge less fare as students were paying arbitrary fare from Mihijam to BSK College Maithon, due to which these few students formed a group on Saturday and stopped the passenger bus. Therefore, in the morning itself, the station square of Mihijam was badly jammed. All the bus conductors of Mihijam said that the price of the diesel has increased so much, over 100 rupees, that is not possible to sell in a low fare. Said that the fare from Mihijam to Maithon is 50. We demanded only 20 rupees from all the students, which is not fair. Simultaneously, this conductor said that all of them forcibly climbed into the same bus, whereas we say that some students boarded all the buses. On receiving the information, the SI, Pankaj Kumar, reached the spot along with the Dalbal. Handling the matter, the students of who were jamming the road told the students that it is not right to jam the road. He told that if there is any demand of any kind, then put this matter before DC or DTO. For this, first written application should have been given to the senior officer. But you guys blocked the road by not doing so, which is wrong. At present, SI Pankaj Kumar understood everyone and removed the jam. Step in Abhinav Gini House at Ken Mukherjee Lane, Asansol. We deals diamond, gems and stones, gold hallmarked jewelries, silver items and utensils, zodiac power items. Our contact number 9933 990 442 and 0341 23 অভিনব গিনি হাউস আপনার রূপকথা। To our reporter Twinkle Burnwell, 21st of October, the salary revision of about 55,000 permanent employees of all SAIL including ISP. The meeting of NJCS was held between SAIL management and NJCS union members regarding this. In this meeting, which lasted for 12 nights, administered a lot of efforts and the consequences on the issue of variable of personnel was 26.5%. It is to be known that above 13% MGB has already been decided. Harjit Singh, the General Secretary of INTUC Banpur and the Organizing Secretary of National INTUC Union, said that we have been successful in INTUC's effort to provide respectable salary hike to SAIL employees, reducing almost every employee by 13% of MGB and 26.5% variable perks. In view of increasing the graph of corona infection after Durgotsav, the police came into action after the instruction of the Chief Secretary. After strict instructions were given in view of the third wave of corona, instructions were issued to all the district rulers to strictly implement the night curfew. Asansol Durgapur police came into action only after this instruction. An investigation operation was conducted under the leadership of ACP. During this, Abhijit Chatterjee, in charge of Asansol South Police Station, was present. The police stopped the vehicles and investigating operations were carried out in different parts of the city. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11, 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honours and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. Asansol North Block Congress Party Office was inaugurated. Asansol North Block Congress initiated the party office was inaugurated. District Congress President Devesh Chakraborty, District Minority Cell Chairman Zakir Hossain, Women Leader Sahina Parveen, Block Congress President S.M. Mustafa and other leaders were present on this occasion. Speaking on this occasion, the District Congress President said that Trinamool and BJP are two flowers of the same stalk. He alleged that Trinamool gave birth to BJP on the soil of West Bengal. They are still working behind the scenes to bring it back. At the same time, they highlighted the history of the Congress' long struggle against the separatist and communal forces.
আমরা ক্ষমতার জন্য লড়াই চাই। আমরা চাই ভারতবর্ষের সমস্ত বর্ণের মানুষকে নিয়ে আমরা এগিয়ে চলব। আমরা যেন কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথের ভাষায় বলতে পারি, আবার ভারত আবার জগৎ সভায় শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লাভে। সমস্ত ধর্মের সমস্ত বর্ণের মানুষকে নিয়ে এই ভারতবর্ষকে গড়ে তুলতে হবে। একদিকে তৃণমূল আর একদিকে বিজেপি বলছে ভারতীয় জাতীয় কংগ্রেসকে তারা ইতিহাসের মানচিত্র থেকে এখান থেকে মুছে দেবে, নিশ্চিহ্ন করে দেবে। তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে খালে বলে যেতে চাই, যতদিন মসজিদে মসজিদে আজাদের ধ্বনি ধ্বনিতে হবে, যতদিন মন্দিরে মন্দিরে শঙ্কর ধ্বনি ধ্বনিতে হবে, আর গির্জায় গির্জায় ঘণ্টার ধ্বনি ধ্বনিতে হবে, ততদিন ভারতবর্ষের রাজনীতি থেকে জাতীয় কংগ্রেসকে উচ্ছেদ করা যায়নি, ভারতীয় জাতীয় কংগ্রেসকে উচ্ছেদ করা যাবে না। কারণ 140 কোটি মানুষের হৃদয়ে ভারতীয় জাতীয় কংগ্রেসের নাম লিখে রাখা আছে, এই নামকে মুছে ফেলা যায় না। আমি শেষ করার আগে একজন মহান গায়ক ছিলেন, যিনি বাংলায় গান করতে করতে
A meeting was held under the chairmanship of Chairperson Amarnath Chatterjee at Asansol Municipal Corporation headquarters regarding the arrangement of ghats and footpath problem during the Chhath, the great festival of faith. The Vice Chairperson Dr. Amitabh Basu, Manas Das member Chandra Shekhar Kundu, Divendu Bhagat, Sam Soren were present in this meeting. The Chairperson Amarnath Chatterjee said that the work of cleaning various Chhath ghat of the city is being done on a war footing. The condition of river and pond ghats has deteriorated due to the floods. The work of cleaning the various Chhath ghats and leveling the land is being done by the Asansol municipal corporations. The land is being leveled by cutting the soil by installing JCB machines on the Chhath ghats. The sweepers are cleaning the debris scattered on the ghat.
Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. The housewife committed suicide due to the physical and mental abuse of the neighboring youth. The incident took place in Kankashar Canal area. Kankashar police have arrested the accused Rakesh Bagdi on the basis of the allegations. It is learned that Bhavan Bagdi was married to Mamni Bagdi, a resident of the Bakreshwar in Birbhum. They got married 9 years ago. They have a son who is 6 years old. It is alleged that Rakesh Bagdi, a young man from the neighborhood, used to make bad proposals to his mothers after marriage. He even used to torture her physically and mentally. Big decision of the government regarding the Lokhir Bhandar. The state government has simplified the rules of Lokhir Bhandar scheme. From now on, no one will be deprived of the benefits of the scheme due to health partner card, Aadhaar card or caste certificate. Name can be registered for Lokhir Bhandar project is considered eligible for benefits. Without these documents including the Shastha Shati card, the applications for the Lokhir Bhandar project could not have been sent for so many days. Due to this, many applicants remained incomplete. Therefore, according to the sources of the state administration, the simplification of the rule has been brought, so the district will be able to approve for Lokhir Bhandar. Women and Child Welfare Department has issued this guideline. Those who have got problem in Lokhir Bhandar application in Asansol Municipal Corporation area, they can go to their respective areas on the basis of the borrow given below and get the problem solved. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832 824 975. Rajesh Bauri, the physical handicapped, but today it was seen that a resident of the place, Chandan Nagse, threatening him, took a ticket from 2 ticket sellers, took around Rs 400 for him and ran away. One of the ticket sellers was wondering where he would pay 400 rupees.
কি হয়েছিল ঘটনা?
ঘটনা হয়েছিল আমরা এখানে প্রতিদিন সকালে টিকিট লাগাই রাস্তার সাইডে, রোড সাইডে। তো ওনার না আমাদের কাছ থেকে প্রায় দিন এসে বলে 100 টাকা 150 টাকা টিকিট উঠিয়ে নিয়ে চলে যায়। আর দাদাগিরি, তো আমরা ওইটা পার্টি অফিসেও কমপ্লেন করেছি। তো ও তো কারো কোথায় শুনছে না, ও নিজে আসছে নিচে আর তুরন্ত পালাচ্ছে। এবার আমি একটা হ্যান্ডিক্যাপ ছিল, শুধু ঝুট ঝামেলাও করতে পারবো না। এটার একটা কিছু ব্যবস্থা করবে আপনারা।
আজকে কত টাকা টিকিট নিয়ে গেছে?
আজকে 200 টাকার টিকিট নিয়ে চলে গেছে।
কার কার
আমারও নিয়ে গেছে, তার পাশে একটা দোকান ওরও নিয়ে চলে গেছে।
কেন এরকম কেন করে?
ও বলছে আমার দোকানের সামনে লাগাচ্ছে, তো দোকানটা বন্ধ আছে বলে আমরা লাগাচ্ছি, তাতে আমরা রোড সাইডে লাগাচ্ছি একবারে।
কতদিন দোকান বন্ধ আছে ওর?
দোকান তো প্রায় দিন আমরা এখান থেকে লাগাচ্ছি প্রায় 5-10 বছর, দোকান ওর বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, দোকান খুলেই না।
কি নাম ছেলেটার?
সে এর মোটামুটি নাম জানি গোনা নাগ,
এমনি ভালো নাম কি আছে?
ভালো নাম হচ্ছে চন্দন নাগ।
কোথায় বাড়ি, কোথায় ওর?
বাড়ির সামনে হাততলা একটু আগে।
এই হাটে ওইরকমই করে, বুধবার হাটে বহুত তাণ্ডবের।
তোমরা যাও থানাতে গিয়ে এফআইআর করো গা, ফায়দা করে পরশু দিন আবার নিয়ে যাবে। এফআইআর করে দাও, ফোনে জাংলাবে, তৃতীয় দিন থেকে উঠাবে।
না না, ওর মার বহুত দরকার।
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
A STF team rescued a lorry with 50 peti of fensidyl syrup. The STF team rescued the driver of the lorry with 50 peti fensidyl syrup, and then the lorry was handed over to the police of the Kulti police station. The driver of the lorry was arrested. The lorry driver is taken to Asansol court today.
কখন খাবো? রাত থেকে চালু করবো, আবার আসবে, রাত থেকে চালু করবো। আমি সামনে আমি সামনে আমি সামনে।
According to our Vakid editor Vikash Prasad, Ananda branch of South Eastern Railway Mains Congress under the banner of Adra on Friday, Vijay Sammelan was organized in Ananda of Adra Railway Division. The program started with Chounas taking out the huge procession in which the additional Joint General Secretary of the National Federation of Indian Railways, S.R. Mishra, and Rabindranath Chatterjee, the coordinator of Adra Division of Main Congress, was present. On this occasion, Senior Divisional Personnel Officer of Adra Railway Division, Rishabh Sinha, the Federation of Indian Railway, S.R. Mishra, General Secretary Shashi Ranjan Mishra, South Eastern Railway Main Congress Adra Coordinator Ravi Chatterjee were also present.
सबसे पहले मैं अनारा ब्रांच को बधाई देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड में ये पूरे संस्था को नवीनीकरण किए और साथ ही साथ हमारे जो दुर्गा पूजा बीत गया, लक्ष्मी पूजा, सामने आने वाला दीपावली, काली पूजा, इन तमाम त्योहारों को के अवसर पर सबको हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए, तमाम रेल कर्मचारियों के परिवार को हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए आज मैं यहाँ आप लोगों के स्नेह और प्रेम से जो बुलाया गया, ये विजय उत्सव के महोत्सव पर मैं यहाँ मेरा आगमन हुआ और समय तो थोड़ा सा लगा, लेकिन मैं पुनः यहाँ के सारे कार्यकर्ताओं को, आंध्रा डिवीज़न के सभी ब्रांच सचिव को, स्पेशली अनारा के जो नया कमेटी बना उसको, पुराने कमेटी के लोगों को, सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि ये साउथ ईस्टर्न रेलवे मेंस कांग्रेस का जो ये कार्यक्रम करके तमाम रेल कर्मचारियों के बीच में अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराया। इसी अवसर पर हम लोगों का यहाँ आगमन हुआ है।
सर आपका नाम?
SR मिश्रा, एडिशनल ज्वाइंट जनरल सेक्रेटरी, नेशनल फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन रेलवे।
थैंक यू सर।
The name of block president, Women Trinamool Congress, has been announced.
An organizational meeting was held at the Ripnanpur Chief Trinamool Congress office on Saturday at the invitation of the district Trinamool Congress president. He also said that our main goal is to see Didi as the chief minister in 2024. He also said that Didi has done a lot for women. Today women are ahead everywhere. In order to strengthening the women's organization, committees will be formed at the booth level including the block.
Protest of ISKCON devotees in Asansol against the attack on Hindus in Bangladesh. Protests are being held all over the world on Saturday by ISKCON devotees in protest against the attack on Hindus and the temples in Bangladesh. Under this protest was also raised in Asansol. Devotees took out protest procession while performing kirtan from BNR Mode. Hundreds of devotees attended it, which runs from Kotmore via Banpur Road and ends at HLG Mode. On Monday, the ISKCON delegation will meet the DM and submit a memorandum. During this, hundreds of devotees, including ISKCON Asansol Secretary Dayachand Prabhu, Krishnendu Mukherjee, protested against the attack on Hindus and temples in Bangladesh. This SMS of the moment: people in your life are supposed to make your life easy, not look like another battle. Be mindful of who have you let in.
To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.